She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, it's Alondra. Welcome back to the land. Y'all, today's video is about to be more of like me talking because I need to be honest. Like, it's so much I like want to say. Well, is it a lot I want to say? I don't know. I just feel like I haven't like been connected with my channel. Like, I feel like when I first started my YouTube, I was like doing videos like, well, I'm always doing videos I want to do. Like, I'm always doing stuff like that. But I just feel like I feel like after this last year, I literally was changing and like not being myself. Like, not in the videos, but like outside of like life. That was like making it hard for me to record. I started really getting like invested in people's opinions of me. I started like, meaning like I just started giving a little bit of a fuck, just a little bit. Like, if you slip up and start caring what people think just a little bit, like just that little thought, you can grow it and just, it will consume you. That's one aspect of why it's been so hard for me to record, is because I started like caring what people think like about me doing YouTube, like people who know me like in real life or whatever. Literally, I didn't really have this revelation until recently because I've just been so like unmotivated and uninspired to like do a video. Like, I'm fucking rambling right now. When I start YouTube, like, I've never ran out of ideas. Like, I literally have videos and videos and videos lined up, like, of like stuff I want to do. So the ideas, I thought that would be the hardest part for me to do with YouTube, but literally that's like the easiest for some reason. Like, I just, thank goodness for right now anyways, that it's been like the idea part like is not where I'm lacking. But I feel like the believing in myself, the motivating myself and staying focused and inspired and having like the energy to actually like get on here and record, I've been lacking in that. And it's been irritating because now that my channel is finally like growing and I'm finally like getting like followers and subscribers, that like now is the time where I'm like, I don't want to post, I don't feel good, I don't feel good. Even though I have videos I can like come on here and do videos of, like I said, I just didn't feel myself if I was like just get on here and like post a video. I need to like get on here and tell y'all where my head has been and just have a connect video, like connect back with y'all. Another update, kind of crazy. I got fired from my job. To me, the situation was crazy because I just felt like y'all stupid. Like, I just felt like these companies out here be so stupid to me. That was really the only thing I felt, was like, y'all stupid. I wasn't even mad. And I feel like it's, I don't know, like, you know how you feel like, I don't know how I fucking felt. All I know is when it happened, I wasn't like mad. Like, I really was not mad because I felt like, I was like, yeah, it was going to happen. Like, not necessarily me getting fired, but me quitting, like me walking about that bitch, or me setting some shit on fire. Like, it was gonna be either or. Like, actually, I wasn't gonna walk out. That was never my plan. My plan was to set some shit, pop some shit off. So when I got fired or whatever, I was like, okay. I was like, well, thank you. Like, thanks for the money I made while I made it, basically. But I really wasn't mad about it because I felt like, you know how, like, this is how I work anyways. Like, and it's law of attraction. It's all law of attraction. When this new year started, I got fired back in January 13th to be exact. I don't know how I know, but actually, when you lose your job, when you lose your income, you know what day it is. I remember it was like it was yesterday. But you remember that day. I don't know, but I did. So anyways, yeah, I got fired January 13th. And yeah, when it happened, I was just like, I was like, this shit really works. Like, shit really be working. They just be like, it's just crazy. So basically it's law of attraction, because when the new year started, first of all, deep in my body, I already was like not fooling with that place. Like I already was like, I don't like it here. I don't fuck with the people, and I'm just not liking it anymore. So since I already had that deep like internal, like I know I didn't really like it and I wasn't happy there anymore, that was already out in the universe. And then when the new year started, I wrote some goals, some New Year resolutions, which I never really do, but I'm not opposed to New Year's resolutions, so that's why I did it. I just never do it because I already have like goals throughout the year. But I noticed it had been like a year, or it had been a little minute. I felt like I didn't really have any readjusted goals. So I wrote some new goals, and one of my goals was I want to have a certain amount of money in my savings account by the end of the year. And yeah, and I was serious about this. I told myself I want to have this much saved by the end of the year. I'm not gonna say I didn't know how I was gonna get that money. I basically just like redid my budget and was like, okay, if I put this much towards based off my income, if I put this much towards my savings each month, then, you know, I'll be able to, you know, get that in my savings account with the job I had then. Was it realistic? Maybe not, because I wasn't making enough to really have that in my savings like I wanted, but I knew I wanted that in my savings by the end of the year. So what I'm saying is, me wholeheartedly, like just genuinely wanting a certain amount in my savings account and telling myself I want to have this money saved by the end of the year, and like wanting that and putting that energy out to the universe, then I got fired from my job, because that job was not going to give me the income I need to have that in my savings account. And I'm just saying that to say that when I got fired, I was not mad. But of course, afterwards, like when you're like losing money, because like I did have enough money saved like for like 2 months worth of bills. So I did have money. So like I said, I wasn't like, oh my God, I need to start stripping tonight. Like, it wasn't like that. It was like, okay, like maybe I'll just take this time, like do some more videos, chill a little bit. You know, everything happens for a reason. Like anytime I'm supposed to get mad about things, I don't, because it's like, I know the devil wants me to get mad. I know that situation is made for me to like get mad. So I'm going to like, I try to like not get mad so I can like, I guess, pass that test or whatever. I do know it was for a reason. I know me getting fired was for a reason, and I know all of that. But it also was a little stressful because I was a server, and I didn't want to be a server again. Like I'm doing this serving stuff until YouTube pops off, and that's that. Like I don't want to be working nowhere else or no other restaurant until my YouTube pops off. So yeah, so basically that, I don't even know what I was saying, but that wraps up the job thing. Oh yeah. So since I didn't know, so that's the only reason why I was just like a little frustrated, because I knew once I got fired from that, I was like, damn, I don't want to be a server nowhere else. I don't want to like keep hopping from restaurants and like, you know, keep doing all of this. Like I want to like, you know, I had a good thing going there. I want to like, even though I didn't like it, I was just gonna tough it out and, you know, whatever. But like I said, everything happens for a reason, because I know I probably wouldn't have been able to tough it out. I would have for sure probably had a breakdown, and like just it wouldn't have worked out. So everything happens for a reason. I have a better job making more money under less stress, so it's kind of like it's, you know, things work how they should, things fall into place how they should. But before I got this job, I was going through so much from January to March. I got this job in March, yeah, like the beginning of March. So within those 2 months, I was just going through a lot, like with like me and my relationship, which I haven't told anyone on YouTube world about, like me being in a new relationship. So videos about that, I will talk about, because I'm not opposed to talking about it. Like it's a part of my world now, so I'm not opposed to talking about it. But so I'll do videos about like new relationship lifestyle soon, like, you know, if y'all want to see that. But yeah, so it was just like another thing I told myself on my goals for 2019. I said I want to learn how to handle stress. I want to find new ways to manage my stress. Y'all, if y'all have seen my connect videos where I be getting on here in my feelings, your girl stresses easily. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm a Virgo and like the way things just hit me, like I just overanalyze. I just think about things, like I just get stuck on things. And yeah, I think about things and I don't know, I really stress so easily. With that being said, I get fired. A few things go on between me and my relationship, and just, you know, everyday life with my family, just stuff like, I don't know. It was just so much stress this first January to March. And I was like, wow, isn't that crazy? I'm going through so much shit literally because of what I know I wanted to fix this year. So I'm not mad about it, honestly, y'all. Today is April 4th, and I'm just now making another video because I literally have not felt the part yet. Oh, another thing that had me stressed was my face. My face was breaking out, which I'm using a new face wash right now. So I'm going to post a video about that when my face fully clears up, and I have pictures of before and after. So if y'all thinking I look okay right now, I got the before pictures, okay? Like, your girl was just not feeling good. Like, I was just not looking good. I still don't even feel all the way like okay with my face, or just, you know, it's still a process. But I just wanted to like get on here and talk to y'all because I don't feel myself if I just like don't say certain things. And I hope I'm really saying shit right now. Like, I hope I'm not like being one of those people that like talk around it. Like, I hope I'm saying exactly what I'm saying. But I mean, because it really ain't much. I was just, you know, typical life shit. Lost my job. I always be going through mood swings where I feel unmotivated and stuff like that. And had a face breakout, relationship problems. Well, not really problems, but relationship, you know, pebbles and shit. So just stuff like that has kept me like not on here. And not even that, also, yeah, like I said, people's opinions getting in my head and just lacking confidence, or like I know, like, you know, like just not being my full self. And I've worked hard to get to like being like, you know, not me, but I just worked hard like building confidence and stuff. I may do a video about, you know, some other stuff that dealing with that, you know, touching on that. I may do a video because I just want to tell people like, you know, just what be going on, how I think, and like why I think. I don't fucking know what I'm saying, okay? All I know is I feel good, and I am about to start doing my videos again, and just being true to myself, basically. Like, just being true to myself, doing videos I want to do, saying what I want to say, looking how I want to look, like whatever that means, you know. I really want to do vlogs, but I don't be going anywhere. I hope y'all can't see the hair on my leg in this video because it's just now springtime, okay? This is winter hibernation. But yeah, y'all, anyways, I hope this video explains something of what's been going on with me. I don't know, but this is basically just a connect video. I just want to come on here, connect with y'all, let y'all know that sometimes I be in mood swings, I be feeling down, feeling like weird, and it hasn't got better. When I thought it was getting better, it didn't. I thought I had things under control. I didn't. I'm just admitting it. I'm saying it out loud. I'm saying it in front of people. I don't know. I just work better. I just work better when I'm being honest and I'm not on here trying to be like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm waxing my armpits. Like, you know, like, and don't get me wrong, I was good during that time, but I wouldn't feel comfortable right now if I just got on here and like just didn't say how I feel. I've been feeling weird as fuck Now I feel a little better. And any other time, if I have these mood swings, I'm gonna come on here and tell y'all, because it's always people out there who get what I'm saying and know, like, going through all this stress shit and just whatever. So anyways, I think I'm rambling. I'm gonna finish the video here. If y'all have any questions, comment below. Also, if y'all want any advice, don't forget that I do have my advice email, alondrasadvice@yahoo.com, which some people who have hit me up, I didn't even do videos on it. I just gave y'all the advice via email because, like I said, I wasn't in a good mood to post. So I did get some emails that I just responded to through the email. But if y'all want to see video responses, y'all can start back hitting up my email, and yeah, I'll respond with the advice via video. So anyways, I will catch y'all in my next one. I don't know. Bye, y'all.